I don't know about you, but there have been times when I've started a new project or hobby, only to give up halfway through because it didn't turn out the way I had it envisioned. I'd feel so disappointed in myself and wouldn't spend days just dwelling on my failure. After a recent similar experience, I realized I was just being incredibly hard on myself and I needed to learn how to practice self-compassion. So I dove deep into this topic and what I found was life-changing. Today, I want to share with you a step-to-step guide how to cultivate self-compassion. Trust me, it can make a huge difference in how we treat ourselves. So, what is self-compassion? According to Dr. Christine Neff, it's the practice of treating ourselves with the same kindness, understanding, and support that we offer a close friend. It's important for our overall well-being because it helps us navigate life's challenges with more resilience and grace. Now, I know some people might be thinking self-compassion is just an excuse to be lazy or let ourselves off the hook, but research has shown it actually increases motivation, resilience, and well-being. Now, let me go through some practical techniques and exercises to help you cultivate self-compassion in your daily life. Practice mindfulness. Pay attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. When you catch yourself being hard on yourself, take a deep breath and pause. Acknowledge your experience and try to observe it without getting caught up in it. This can help you develop greater self-awareness and make it easier to recognize your negative thought patterns. The benefits of mindfulness include reduced stress, improved emotional regulation, and increased self-acceptance. Recognize common humanity. When you're struggling, remind yourself that you are not alone. Everyone faces challenges and make mistakes. By recognizing this shared experience, you can develop greater empathy for yourself and others. Remember, this helps you feel more connected, which can decrease feelings of isolation and increase overall well-being. Offer yourself kindness. Treat yourself as you would to a close friend. When you're feeling down or facing a challenge, offer words of comfort and encouragement. This can help you foster a more positive and accepting relationship with yourself, leading to increased self-esteem and resilience in the face of adversity. Develop a self-compassion mantra. Create a short personalized phrase that you can repeat to yourself when you need a reminder to be compassionate. For example, may I be kind to myself in this moment. This mantra can serve as an anchor during difficult times, helping you to refocus and remember to treat yourself with kindness. Practice self-compassion meditation. Dedicate a few minutes each day to focus on sending love and kindness to yourself and others. This can be as simple as visualizing a warm, loving light surrounding you and the people you love. Research has shown that practicing self-compassion meditation can increase feelings of connection, reduce anxiety and depression, and promote overall mental well-being. By implementing these strategies and staying committed to your personal growth, you will find that self-compassion becomes a natural part of your daily life. Embrace the journey and enjoy the positive impact that self-compassion can have on your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely want to watch this one. Until then, take care and remember, be kind to yourself.